Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the torture test where, I don't know if it's a torture test or what, but we're going to be putting the chemicals under, under chemical resistance. Oh no, it's not resistance. I don't know why am I so bad, I've got like so much on my mind. But we're going to be applying these products and we're not going to be doing a chemical resistance test. That's what I wanted to say. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be washing it, the bonnet. I'm going to be using one of my favorite car shampoos, which is the Shield Decon shampoo. This is a very, very nice product. If you guys have a coating and you need to do, your maintenance wash, you can definitely use that. That's also perfect. One of the primary formulations for that shampoo was when you have an old existing wax or sealant, you want to get rid of it, you can start with that. If you just want to do a deep cleanse of the car, let's say you go away on holiday and come back and there's a whole lot of bugs and things and just general grime on the car, that is a perfect car shampoo. I personally wouldn't use it on a regular basis, but a lot of guys have been doing it and they prefer it. But yeah, awesome shampoo. So we're going to be using that to clean off the bonnet. I'm not going to do a polish, I'm not going to do a clay or anything, because a lot of times I think the majority of people, what they do is they just wash the cars or they take it somewhere to be washed, but they do just want to have some form of protection on the car. So I'm not going to be doing it from a detailer's perspective, I'm going to be doing it from a retailer or consumer perspective. So we're just going to be washing the bonnet, we're going to dry it obviously, and then we're going to put 9 little sections on the bonnet, and then we're going to be applying it. I'm going to be using a applicator pad for each and every single, so a fresh clean applicator pad for every single section, and then also a cloth. It's a brand new cloth to remove any residue. And then here is my scientific spreadsheet. As you can see, it looks very similar to that of the periodic table. But yeah, this is just to keep a note, so when we come and I do follow-ups on these products, we'll be able to keep count and see exactly what was applied where. And yeah, so before I get into it, I just wanted to, and also it is now, it's actually just 6:05. So I want to beat the sun before it goes down, so I can get, make use of the best of light so that you can see everything. But just a quick one, guys, and I always say this when I do these tests. Doing this is not to say any of these products are nonsense or that they're crap. It's just to give us an idea, to give you and I an idea as to, if you use any one of these products, more or less what you should expect of them in terms of longevity, in terms of rain, because the car will be exposed to, this is a daily for us, for my family and I, so it will be exposed to the sun, the rain. It is in Gauteng, it is December, so it is our rainy season, so there's a lot of rain and hail. We use this car when we go to, on family trips and everything, so it's exposed to the tar, the grime, everything that can be thrown at the car in terms of mother nature. This car will be exposed to. So we're going to be putting apologies guys, we will be putting all of these products through its paces, and you guys will actually get an idea. I know a lot of us, we like to use products irrespective of how long a competitor might last. We just prefer the brand, we prefer the product because of how it spreads, how it feels, how it makes the car look. So again, this is not just any one of these products are nonsense, it's just to give us an idea, and it is also entertaining just to see how long these products do last. So let me know in the comment section below which product do you think out of all 9 here will make it to the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this, and then tomorrow or the day thereafter I'll make a separate video. It will be very short where I'll just do a quick rinse off just to see how any of these products performed, you know, 2-3 days later, and then I'll do a follow-up a week from now where I'll wash and rinse the bonnet off, and we'll do a month, 2 months and 3 months. So it's going to be quite interesting to see exactly, you know, how these products fare on the bonnet. So yeah, so again, I'm just gonna quickly once I'm going to just quickly wash, rinse it off, dry it, and then we're going to split it up into different sections, and we apply the products, and we'll take it from there. There you go, guys. As you can see, all of them were The application of all of them are very much the same. Some of them just require that you apply the product onto the applicator pad or the microfiber towel, or on whatever medium you're using to spread it. Others were you could spread either way, directly on the paintwork or onto the applicator pad. The sun is setting now, and I think I made it just in time before the quality of the picture starts to go. So if it does, my apologies, but I'm glad I've done this now. I'm not going to lie, I am tempted to just spray water on it just to see exactly what the hydrophobic nature is of all of them. But you know what, like for instance the turtle wax, that does require a full 24 hours for for the product to cure. A few of the other SO2 infused products as well. So to give everyone a fair advantage, I'm not going to do that. And it's only the forecast for rain is only in 2 days time, so on Monday. So this this whole panel will not be affected by any form of water. But yeah, I'm excited. Let me know, you put in the comment section below, guys, let me know which product do you guys think is really going to stand out for you. Like I said, I really don't have an idea as to which one is going to come out on top. I will say this though, there were two products that really smelled the best for me. The one is from Diamond Bright. This has like a watermelon, almost like a cucumber type of fragrance. Very, very nice. And the other one is the Detail Vault. It has a very traditional, that banana, because it's a spray wax, it's got that banana, but it's a very nice sweet smelling product. Very, very, very nice. Those two really smelled the nicest for me. The product that had the most amount of slickness when I sprayed the product has to go to Glossworks. That product, just as you just spreading it, you start feeling the surface just starting to become slicker and slicker, and then when you are wiping off any residue, it's amplified. So and I do know that product is very, very, very good. So yeah, it's all up in the air now. I mean, it's the first time I'm using the product from Nerta. It's the first time I'm using the Geon Cure. My apologies, guys. I've used the Geon Mose already. I haven't used that because that can be used as a standalone, and it can also be used as a as a topper. So like for when you do your maintenance on a ceramic coating. So yeah, it's just each of these products are so unique. They share a lot of similarities. So yeah, I'm super excited. I will upload another video in the week where I'm just gonna come home, rinse off the bonnet, and then I'm just gonna do a quick wash with a pH neutral car shampoo. I'm gonna use shampoos like the Snow Foam from Shield, the Geon Bathe, not the Bathe Plus. The Bathe Plus is a SO2 infused, so the Bathe is just a pure shampoo like the Snow Foam from Shield. And then I've got another 1 or 2 products that are like pure car shampoos, no classifying agents or any polymer sealants in it, nothing. So I'll use those shampoos when I do like just to wash, just to clean off the bonnet, so that these products aren't affected by anything else, so we can actually really see what is happening on the surface. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Let me know again what your thoughts are, and as usual, to you and your loved ones, if you are on the road, guys, please be safe. It is the festive season. I said it in my other video, people are going to be having a lot of parties, they're going to be going out, and that just means they shouldn't be on the road. They should be Ubering or using Bolt or some form of transportation to fetch them. But if you're on the roads, just like my family and I, we're going to take our time wherever we go. To you and your loved ones, please travel safely. Please take your time, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Cheers.
Bye.